Hello everyone, my name is Natalia and welcome. Today I'm gonna talk about one of the most popular interview questions for Selenium, which is how you interact with Selenium Dropdown Web Element. This is one of the interview questions they will definitely ask if the project has Selenium tool in the job description. Please listen until the end, and I hope this will help you to prepare for your interview and also will help you to work with dropdowns in your current project. And this channel is designed for those who would like to start career as a software tester and for people who already working as a software tester but would like to learn something new. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please watch until the end. When we talk about Dropdown Web Element, what does it mean? It means you have a multiple option in order to select. For example, you're filling out information about address and you have to add state, and we have 50 states in US, and then it's gonna be Dropdown Web Element where you can select different state options. How you can interact with this web element by using Selenium? First of all, we need to identify what kind of dropdown we have. We have two types of dropdown web element. First dropdown, it's a select dropdown. That means it's gonna have select tag and it's gonna have options tags under it. As the second type is HTML dropdown. It's a web element which does not have select tag. If you have select tag, it's great. That means we can use select class. You're gonna create object of select class by passing select web element into constructor. There are multiple methods which select classes offer, but in order for us to select the value from dropdowns, we have three options: select by visible text, select by value, and select by index. Please make sure memorize these three methods because this is gonna be the answer for your interview question. How do you interact with Selenium Web Element when you're gonna talk about the select dropdown and the methods you can use to interact with it. And also there's some very usable methods of this class, such as get all selected options. If you wanna do assertion in your automation scripts and verify what our options are presented, this is one of the great method to use. You can do get all selected options. You can do get options, which gonna give you the list of all options from the dropdown or options which you are selected. You can also deselect all. That's another method which gonna unclick all selection from your dropdown. But what do you do if it's not select type of dropdown? It's just regular HTML dropdown, regular HTML web element which do not have the specific select tag. In this case, you're gonna interact with this dropdown as you usually interact with any other element which you need to click. You're gonna find the dropdown web element as a regular web element. You're gonna find that options you would like to select or click. As an end user, you're gonna perform click action. So you're gonna find the options you wanna click or you wanna select. Then you're gonna first click on the drop down, and the second click you're gonna do on that options you would like to select for this drop down. It will be using click method of the Selenium. It's also very easy, not complicated. Please do not be scared to answer this way. And I hope it was helpful. If you like the series of these short videos about preparing for interview questions for Selenium or any other topics, leave comments below. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and hope to see you in my next video.